What's up, y'all? So today I'm coming with you a customization for Arabella Hair. The packaging comes with the hair, of course, 3 scrunchies, reward cards, and MAC lashes. I got the 360 20-inch Brazilian wig. So first we're going to start with the bleaching process. So I get my Got To Be Glue spray and I spray it all on top of my frontal so I won't get none of the hairs in the front bleached during the bleaching process. So I put it on top of my mannequin head and making sure all the hairs are secured and tucked so none of it can get bleached. Fortunately, guys, my clips deleted of me bleaching my hair. It was horrible. But if you guys want a video of me bleaching my hair, please comment down below. I will do that. So right now, all I'm doing is putting my foil so the bleaching process could go a little faster. And I put it under there for 15 minutes. I'll show you guys the timer of me doing it for 16, but it's really 15. Now I'm rinsing my hair with Shimmer Lights. First, I have to rinse it first, but I use Shimmer Light shampoo to wash my frontal off after I finish bleaching it. It tones it down a little bit with the purple shampoo. So I left my conditioner back at home, so I used my mom's conditioner. She has olive oil conditioner. I usually use the Tresemme, but we're going to use what we have today. Conditioner is just so that the hair won't be so dry when I'm about to dye it. Here's the finishing results. Yes, it is yellow, but when I dye my hair, you will not see that. And that's another technique for if you bleach your hair wrong. I put my hair into 3 sections to make it easier for me. I'm not doing the watercolor method, of course. Since I'm not doing the watercolor method, I just put my dye all over the place and get my comb and run it through my hair just to make sure that the dye gets everywhere. And I am using a Door Jet Black dyeing color. And this is the part where you gotta be really careful. So I get my spoolie from my frontal and I start dipping my spoolie inside the adored dye, and I start being really careful and going through every piece of the hair slowly. Yeah, I didn't even fast forward this part so you can show y'all how really serious I am about this part. And here's the plucking. So I pull a little bit of my baby hairs forward and wet it, because when it's wet I can see it more. So I got this technique from Erica J, pluck, 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 but not in the same space. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm plucking, 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 but not in the same space. And please ignore my boyfriend touching the hair. I don't know what's his problem, but okay, I probably asked him, I don't know. But I need a better mannequin head, so I won't have to ask somebody to hold the mannequin head for me. But for now, this is what we're gonna go through. So now we're going to start curling the hair. There's no specific way I've got taught curling hair. All I did was watch a lot of videos of people curling their hair. And for some reason, I got the technique. And I got this curling iron from Ross. I really did forget the name of it. But yeah, I got it from Ross. Ross has really good curling products. After I hold it for a few seconds, I get my clip and I just put it right in between and let it sit there and just continue with the whole hair. for the meltdown process. So I get my Ghost Bond and I just put a whole bunch on the side because I don't really do 2 layers. And I get my popsicle stick and I smear it flat across there so it can dry a little faster. I'm really impatient when it comes to this drying process. You'll see it all in my face. Like I said, I'm very impatient, so it didn't dry all the way. But if you leave your scarf on when that part's come, you'll know that it will dry as long as you leave your scarf on for a pretty long time. I get my comb and I make sure I'm pressing it all down my hair to get a more seamless look. I was so tired that I forgot I have razors, but I realized I had razors when I cut the other 2 parts. But when you use your scissors, I was tired, but make sure that you're doing zigzag motion if you only have scissors for this part. But I recommend a razor. A razor does the job better. Get your Got2b glue spray and spray that thing down. I did the other 2 off camera, so here you guys go. So I did the other 2 off camera. I put my scarf on. I had it on there for about 30 minutes while I finished packing my clothes. Mind y'all, it's about 3 o'clock in the morning and I have a flight at 5 o'clock that day. But it's alright. All for YouTube, all for you guys. So now all I'm doing is putting makeup on my lace, making sure that it's giving me that seamless look. And I'll be grabbing a rag and I'll be cleaning off the Got2b glue that's a little bit on my hair stick. So before this video ends, I'm just letting you guys know I didn't record myself taking my hair down, but I still have clips towards the end. But before you guys get to that part, don't forget to give me a like if you love this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and give me some comments so I can respond. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Y'all, I barely could show y'all my hair, the finishing results, but this is it. The ending of this video was everywhere. To get the best lighting for y'all to see my hair. Like, it's not the best. I just took down the curls. Didn't do baby hairs. Hey.
Choppers on deck, everything is on demand. You wanna check, first you gotta have a plan. And she soaking wet, she dripping goddamn. My little butter pecan, yeah, she got a tan.